Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a luxury haul for you, and it is a lot of like little things, some drips and drabs over the past couple months. So let's just start off small. I didn't even open this, so I guess you could say this one is a true unboxing. Ooh, there's the ribbon. I just wanted to share with you guys that I am not a fan of LV's packaging. I just think any other luxury brand does their packaging so much better. You know, you buy these expensive bags and they come in and no tissue paper. So you have this bag just knocking around inside a big box. That's not my thing. Dior does it so much better. Okay, here it is. I got the 2022 agenda refill for the PM. Now I do have two agendas. It's on my Instagram, but I did a walkthrough of it last year. All right, let's see. Not really a huge fan of the animation. How they do. Here we go. I always like the stickers that they include. Stickers. I do like that they have this little corner piece that you can rip off of every week as you go along. Okay. I think this is $65. I believe the agenda refill, like the paper, stationery, books, I don't think it was affected by the recent price increase. So I guess that's a good thing. I did not have my mic attached to me. This did not go up with the recent price increase. Even if it did, it would have been like $3. I mean, whatever. Agenda refill, little things, something a little bigger than an agenda refill. I got the new Spell on You fragrance. I'm a huge fan of LV fragrances. I love that they offer refills. I love that I finally found someone who can engrave my entire name on the front there. So there's Cindy. Typically when you order these online, you're limited to 3 characters, and that just doesn't do for me. So I get my whole name. It's great. Let me spray it on actually. I'm an oversprayer, can you see? So this is very similar to their Rose Devant fragrance and Iridescent, which is like a very powdery mimosa. So it's kind of in between, leans more rose and very floral, some people may describe it as grandmotherly, but I like it, very feminine. So that is Spell on You. These retail is a $265. I don't know if the fragrances went up in the US. That's how much they were before. So let's switch things up. I got the Lositan Advent Calendar. This is the signature Advent Calendar. I think they released 3 different ones. The lowest priced one was less than 100, I believe. This one was about 115, and then there is maybe 2 more expensive ones with, you know, progressively larger contents. So yeah, this is like the mid-range level, mid-tier, and I will probably go ahead and do an entire video unboxing this for you. I love Lositan, specifically their hand creams. Yeah, I got this from the website when it dropped, and we're entering Advent Calendar season, baby. Get ready. I have some really good ones on the horizon for you. So I will do a separate unboxing for this. Keeping with the fragrance and beauty, I got some stuff from Dior. Now, I love Dior's packaging. It is very heavy duty. It's got this box. You can reuse this for keeping your secrets and treasures, if I can open it. Dior has this amazing new loyalty program. When you register, it will track your purchases, and as you accumulate points, you can redeem them for gifts. And then as you kind of progress within the tiers of the program, so as soon as I logged into this program, I was immediately platinum level, like one of the highest levels based on my spending from last year. I already was gifted this really substantial brush set welcome gift. So this is the platinum welcome gift. Yeah, really nice hard acrylic Dior brush stand, and then these Dior brushes. I gotta start using these. Ooh, that is really nice, right? So this is not what I ordered. This is what I received as my gift with my order. All right, now this is what I mean with packaging. Dior is like top notch with their packaging. I'm not a huge fan of like messy stuff like this, but you know, whatever. This was another gift. This also is still an ongoing gift. The promo code is MissYou21. It is an ornament. Look, it even has a little handle to open the trap door. And then inside is another gift with purchase. Honestly, like I already like this as a gift with purchase. I received this last year. Yeah, I used this ornament as the top of my mini Christmas tree. This was the gift. inside. It's the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. So these are all gifts. We haven't even gotten to the actual item that I purchased. More gifts with purchase. You get this little Dior pouch, and I got more samples. Fragrance sample, primer, serum, and then a deluxe sample of the Maison Dior Ballade Sauvage. Not one, but two pouches. This one says Dior. This one says CD. I love pouches. Great for organizing within your tote bag. And finally, the item that I actually purchased was this Rouge Velvet Lip Set. So these new Rouge Dior Velvet Lip boxes, they come in 3 sizes. The smallest is like 2 lipsticks, and this is the medium size. I believe this is around 175 or 180. So it opens this way, and you get 4 little lippies. One is a lip balm, I believe, and then you have a red, and then a neutral, and then whatever other color. I love these. This is almost like a jewelry box. It feels so nice and rich. I forgot about this. It's the last of my beauty, but I stopped by the Chanel standalone beauty boutique in Atlanta, and I got just something basic. I just got the Chanel CC cream because I'm really not wearing a lot of makeup these days. So I just wanted something that has SPF and is basically like a tinted foundation. So we are going to the beach soon. And then my SA Tyler over there included a Factory 5 collection poster, another one. This was part of the Factory 5 collection launch a couple months ago to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the Chanel No. 5 perfume. So check out that video because I show everything over there. And then another little pouch with more samples. If you can, I love going in store. I love purchasing also from the website, but if you can go in store, you know, you just get these little things to try. Sublimage, and then Lay Lift. Oh, and then a sample of, I think, one of the new foundations. I don't remember. I gotta try it. All right, enough beauty. All right, back to Dior. I already know some of you will be making fun of me for this, and it's okay. I have accepted it. I love getting things for my home. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, I have to get it. I have 3 boys. My oldest just turned 11, and he loves jigsaw puzzles. And when I saw that Dior came out with a puzzle, I immediately got it. Immediately. It came in 4 options. I think I linked it in my community tab on my YouTube and in my Instagram stories. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's at A Heated Mess. Anytime like something really cool pops up, I will link it in my stories right away, and then it sells out. So you need to follow me and then turn on notifications, because then it's not available. And actually this, as soon as I saw this online, it already was sold out. I think they called it the Blue Montaigne Deer. There were 4 different versions. One was the Luminaries, which was a little more colorful, and then the Red Montaigne, which was red and white, and then something else. And then this one. This is what I love. I love the Deer, Toit de Jouy. I just love it all. So I got this. And on the back, it shows you what it looks like when you complete the puzzle. And it opens up. So it tells you over here, 1,000 pieces, 1,000 piece puzzle. And this is it. So the puzzle pieces are in a plastic bag, and then it includes a Dior dust bag. I'm pretty sure this is like the shoe drawstring bag to keep the puzzle pieces in. And then the final, you know, what the picture looks like. Very nice. I see my son putting this together. He loves puzzles, so I had to get it. This was $260. And then the other versions of the puzzle, the other colors, were $270. So I don't know what the difference is with the price point. I feel like maybe the others had more metallic. Did you know that they have a Dior puzzle this year? Okay, the big one from Chanel. I got a bag. I almost swore to myself that I would not be purchasing another new Chanel bag because the price increases are insane. They are absurd, offensive, rude, ridiculous. But then this bag appeared and I just could not help it. So if you follow me on Instagram, you pretty much already know, because I always, when I can't decide, I'll post it on my Instagram. Here it is. I just had to do it. I got the 21K unicorn bag in the blue iridescent Caviar. Can you even get this? I have like some crazy lighting going on right now, but the turn lock is this rainbow, like pink and purple. And then the hardware, very unlike Chanel usually, is a silver or whatever they call it. I don't really know Chanel these days. I'm not keeping up with the trends, but when I saw this, first of all, look at my nails. I get a lot of comments on my nails because I pretty much always have this color. I do a dip powder on my nails, and then I get like a chrome powder on top, like a chrome essence, and then it's buffed into the nail so that it has this like mirror finish, and it's called Unicorn Chrome. And that is the color. This is unicorn. This is a unicorn bag. Has a pocket back there. I feel like you have all seen this. A lot of people have gotten it this year. Look how cute. I'll do mod shots in a little bit, but I had to do it because I've had the Coco handle on my wish list, like my luxury wish list, a couple years ago or a few years ago. I ended up not getting it because I just wasn't happy with the colors that were available. You know, I didn't want to do a black bag, and I had to do it. Here it is. It's got the felt. Samorga sent me the organizer for this, so I just shoved it in here. And that is it. I got it in the 1.2 mm in the light blue so that it doesn't kind of mess up the interior. I love this. I love blue. I love all shades of blue. Blue's my favorite color. And this matches my nails perfectly. I'm wearing gym clothes. As usual, gym shorts. This is the bag on the side, and I feel like this is the small size, right? I don't even know. So this is it when you hand hold it on the shoulder. Now this is it as a crossbody, and you know, I am pretty short. I'm only 5 feet tall, and the handle kind of digs underneath a little bit. So I think if I added maybe a different chain on this, I definitely would be more comfortable, because I typically like my crossbody bags to sit a little lower on me. So yeah, that's it as a crossbody if you want. But I probably wouldn't wear this as a crossbody bag. Yeah, I probably would exclusively use this as just a shoulder bag like that. Oh my gosh, I love this color. I have to do a collection video. Most of my Chanel bags are black. I do have one beige Deauville tote. This is my third blue Chanel bag. I have the denim Deauville tote, and then I have my blue sunset. You see right there? The blue sunset on the sea bag. I think I'm done with Chanel. I think I have reached purse piece with Chanel. It's so hard to describe this. It just has this amazing iridescent shift to it. So that is my luxury haul. It is mostly small things. I might do an updated wish list video soon, because I am slowly checking things off my wish list. But I hope you enjoyed this luxury haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.